Germany is home to one of the most structured and organized labor markets in the world. For most professions, especially those in the health sector, working in Germany requires official recognition of qualifications. But how do you navigate this process? This video will guide you through the recognition process for regulated professions like nursing in Germany. First, let's take a look at the section 16D, Article 3 of the Resident Act. It states that
a foreigner shall be granted a residence permit for the purpose of carrying out a procedure for the recognition of his professional qualification acquired abroad and for the purpose of carrying out a qualified employment. If 1. The foreigner A holds a foreign professional qualification which is officially recognized by the state in which it was acquired and which required a period of training of at least 2 years to obtain, or B. holds a foreign university degree that is officially recognized by the state in which it was obtained, and 2. there is a concrete job offer. 3. It follows from an agreement to be concluded between the foreigner and the employer that A. the foreigner undertakes to initiate the procedure for the recognition of his professional qualification acquired abroad immediately after entry at the latest, with the body responsible for professional recognition in the country in accordance with federal or state regulations, and B. the employer undertakes to enable the foreigner to take the qualification measures required by the competent authority for the recognition of his professional qualifications within the framework of the employment relationship. 4. The employer is suitable for training or further qualification. 5. The foreigner has the German language skills appropriate to the desired activity, but at least sufficient. And 6. The Federal Employment Agency has given its consent in accordance with Section 39, or the Employment Ordinance or Intergovernmental Agreement stipulates that employment is permissible without the consent of the Federal Employment Agency.
this law emphasizes on the need for foreigners coming in with regulated professions to complete the recognition process. Visit the ANABIN website to find out if your certificate is recognized, where you select the country in which you are coming from. In my case, I'll choose Ghana, and then you choose the type of degree, that is bachelor, and then you can choose the field in which you studied. So I'm trying to search to find out if I'll find nursing. Okay, it seems I cannot find nursing, so I'll just go down, or I can also search it in this field, but I'll prefer to go down because I want this video to be very short. So I'm glancing through to find out if I would see the a nursing profession inside. So I can move to the second screen, the third screen, the fourth screen, the fifth screen, the fifth page, the sixth page, the seventh page, and the eighth page. I did not see anything like that. So that is where the recognition comes in, because if you don't find it there, that means it's not recognized, and you need to go through the recognition process to get it recognized. And in case you find it there, your university degree should be rated H+ and use it. If not, you are supposed to go through the recognition process. To start the recognition process, you click on the certificate recognition. You scroll down to working in Germany. So the regulated profession, then you click on it. After you click on it, you're welcome to this page. Try to scroll. If you have something to read, you read, and then you come back to for skilled workers. Click on for skilled workers and then search for your profession. It will drop down the profession. Select the one that suits you. To this, it will bring you to this page with information related to the field. And here it says, where would you like to work in Germany? So I just input Berlin. You can choose any country, any region or any city. Okay, so it says, do you have a nationality of the EU? And I said no. do you have like nationality of the following countries? And I said no. And then where did you complete your training or degree? And then in other states. And then do you live in Germany? No. And then do you want any advice? So we say yes, we select yes, and then we click on next. Okay, so you'll be welcome to this advice page. It brings you lengthy information about what exactly you need to know. So take your time, read through it, and then have an idea or concept about it. So if you are if you want the advice, you can select the countries to see if your country is part of the list. If you are outside these countries, then you have the option of using the email or making a call. Okay, so we proceed, and then we be landed to this page. This page talks about the requirements, everything you need to submit in order to be successful. So first of all, the name of the procedure, so that is clear. The next one, the requirements for recognition. So these are the requirements for recognition, which are one, the aptitude, personal aptitude, the certificates, and German language. So the German language you require B2, or you can still take B1 and then you get a chance. And then the duration is 4 months. So for 4 months or 4 to 5 months, yeah, from experience from other people, it says 4 to 5 months. And the cost is 430 for the recognition procedure. Yes, so these are just the documents you need, and you need your CV, the proof of your identity, that is a passport, the curriculum vitae, your professional certificate, your transcript, the like evidence that proves that you have been employed before, that is the reference letter from your employer. And then if you are also you have to also provide the medical record that tells them that you are medically fit. And then also for the personal aptitude, you have to go for your police clearance. So after checking everything, you click on the website here, and then you'll be directed to this page. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Because of how lengthy the video would be, I divided this video into two. So watch out for the part 2 next week.